it's your girl Chris. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be making apple pies in the air fryer. This recipe is inspired by Cooking with Jay on Instagram. I guess go check her out. Not sponsored video or anything like that. I just saw the recipe and I wanted to try it. We're gonna be making these apple pies today, so hope I don't fuck them up. So I have all of my ingredients together. About 3 tablespoons of sugar and brown sugar, 1 egg, a half a stick of salted butter, 2 Pillsbury pie crusts. I cut up 2 green apples. I'm gonna use a little bit of heavy whipping cream, vanilla, and ground cinnamon. So I added my apples and my butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my white sugar and brown sugar. So you're just gonna mix that all up together. I'm also gonna add a little bit of flour to thicken it up. Add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Maybe like, add as much vanilla as you want, honestly. Add some cinnamon. You're gonna cook this on a medium heat until it turns like brown and like saucy. I went ahead and prepped my cutting board with some flour so the dough won't stick. Basically just gonna cut square shapes. Guess I could do like that. I don't know. However you think you need to cut these pies so you can fold them, do what you do. You can shape it differently. You can make triangle pies. You can make circle pies, however you want. Just cut the dough so you can put your filling in it. I went ahead and added some egg wash and brown sugar and cinnamon to the top of my pies, and I added 3 slits in the top for ventilation for when it's cooking. I have my air fryer set to 360 degrees and we're gonna bake for about 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
So let's see what they taste like. Comment down below if you've actually tried to make these apple pies in your air fryer and let me know how they turned out. Also, comment other things you would like to see me try in my air fryer. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, be on the lookout for my next video.